one of my thoughts right now is to have a personal belief, to have something, to have faith in something that you continuously trust. I think it's important. Yeah. But this individual belief now, for example, at the same time has nothing to do with the teachings of body-mind connection. It's not good to throw around too many different areas of life, to throw them all in the same pot. They are in the same pot, but it's not useful, in the beginning at least, to throw it all together, not being able to differentiate. So to differentiate, meaning that you know exactly, I am doing this and I am doing that because I want to improve, let's say, this area of my life.
Imagine holding a small flame in your hand. If you keep feeding it with wood and air, the fire grows stronger. If you stop feeding it, the flame naturally dies out. In the same way, every time we invest our attention and emotional energy into negative scenarios or false expectations, we nourish illusions. This constant feeding makes them appear stronger and more real than they actually are. We suffer not because of reality itself, but because of the illusions we have strengthened within ourselves.
Inside these walls, why should you not have a relationship inside these walls? Because a relationship only is functioning if you are investing time in it. But now that you have come here, why are you not supposed to go out and making party or drinking alcohol too much or anything like this? It's because if tonight you are starting to drink a lot, tomorrow you won't be focused. You won't be focused, you won't be able to follow up on the teachings and also to dedicate your time, as long as you're here, to really getting in depth into something you would like to improve.
Many people believe that when I achieve this one goal, I will finally be happy. They hold on to this illusion and nurture it for months or even years. But once the goal is reached, the happiness fades quickly and a new illusion takes its place. The cycle repeats endlessly, leaving a person always searching but never arriving. This is the danger of nourishing illusions. It keeps the mind restless and the heart unsatisfied. Let's begin the Shi Heng Yi Qigong bone marrow cleansing practice. He'll guide you step by step, just like a teacher standing next to you. You can do this right now in a quiet space.
From here, open arms to the front, turn the palm, finger, small one, upwards, back, drop, and front.
This posture helps you connect to the earth and still the wandering mind. Before cleansing begins, we must be rooted.
Out, turn, back, turn, front, release. Open sideways, come to the front, small finger is up, turn the arms, the wrist, the elbow, now until the small finger is on the inside, until you cannot turn anymore. Then pull back the elbows until the center, palms are upwards, drop the palms, open and front. Release. So this is open to the front, turn the palms, turn the arms, pull back to the center, transition, front, drop, from the center, open, sideways, until the front. Turn the palms, small finger up, pull back, drop the palm outwards, face the front, push. And drop. And again, open.
Place your focus on your bones. Inhale slowly and deeply through the nose, imagining Qi entering your bones, legs, spine, arms filling the marrow.
And push. Sink. One more time. Open. Turn. Pull back. And push. Drop. One more time. In. This is inhalation. Exhale. In. Out. And drop. Yeah, if you want to pay attention to the breath, you can try it like this. This is inhalation. In, 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 in. Now, out. This is exhalation. Out, 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 out. And when you come back to the center, it's inhalation. This is in. Rotation, still in. And now push palm is exhalation.
This exercise helps break up old patterns, release tension, and dislodge blocked Qi from joints and marrow. It's also deeply rejuvenating for the lymphatic system and spine.
Inhale. Exhale. And sink. Yeah, continue. Continue. Yes, I'm itching my head a little bit because we're having a lot of mosquitoes right now, early in the morning. Very small ones, but anyway. So continue with this exercise. Again, so the one part is the movement, the second part is the breath. In regards to how strong do you have to make it, how much tension are you putting in it, at the moment we don't focus too much on physicality, we focus on something else. But again, yeah, you open from the center sideways, bring the arms to the front. Yeah, when they arrive at the front, the small finger faces upwards and the palm is opened. The palm is opened. Yeah, not like that, so it's still bent. Push the palm open. When you are arriving at the end, the palm is open, both sides. Okay, so bring it to the front, small finger is upwards. Then the wrist, the left arm, if you look at it, turns counterclockwise. And the right arm turns clockwise. So from here, you turn outwards. Slowly, you go too fast. Yeah, you go too fast. Slow, 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 slow. Yeah, very slow, until you realize, now I cannot turn anymore. Yeah, it's almost reaching the limit. Before it reaches the limit, you open the palms upwards. So here it's still facing front. Now the palm faces upwards. So maybe the side view. Look, I am in this position. Now you turn, the palm still faces to the front, still the front, still the front, still the front, but now I cannot anymore. So I face the palm upwards. You face it upwards and slightly still continue to turn. Yeah. So even if the palm is upwards, but you still are inside this turn. So it might happen that the small finger is slightly facing upwards. Yeah, you don't need to exaggerate it, but I'm just telling you that from here you turn, you lift, small finger might face up. But then also again, in this position right now, you realize that you cannot turn more. Maybe a little bit, but not much more. So before you reach the limit, before you reach it, you just pull back your elbows. So start from the beginning. From the center. You open sideways to the front. Finger face upwards, palm stretch. Then left arm counterclockwise, right arm clockwise. Turn, turn, turn. Palm face to the front. Now palm upwards, small finger still in. Pull back the elbows. So also in this position, when you pull back, you also are going to reach the end of the movement. So the end of the movement you don't want to reach. That's why before you reach the limit, before you reach the end of the movement,
this will opens the upper meridians, clears stagnant energy from the chest and shoulders, and promotes lymphatic drainage. It's like pumping fresh air into an old room. Your chest opens, and energy starts to circulate freely.
Drop the palms. Lift the fingers. And bring the palms back to the front. Again, this movement from here. So turn, palms up, finger up, back to the center. Before the movement stops, drop the palm, lift the fingers, push. Okay, that was movement, for example, number 1. But the principle within this movement, so that we try to not let the movement stop. You are going to find it in all following movements as well. So we spend a little bit more time on this first movement so you understand the principle. You understand the principle, but most probably you still cannot do it because there's a difference between knowing the things and between being able to do them. And that's why it's called practice and training, because everybody knows everything, but nobody can do it.